talk na. Talk tag Bisaya, guys. Eh, wala ko'y pake sa mga tao diha nga sige panang paghut-paghut, hala pangaon mo og kuan, tawag ani, pangaon mo og kupras kay para naamoy kuan ba energy nga may kuan bakbak. Ay wala gid ko'y pake. Maski mo tan-aw pagtuo siguro ninyo nga nagtan-aw ko wala. Nay mga tao nga mo ingon nga wala pa daw gihapon, sige pa daw kuno ga tok daw. Oh, I don't care. Wagi ko'y paki. Ako happy ko, kontento na ako sa kong kinabuhi. Nga at least kanang nakakuan ako learn nakakuan na ba kanang nakakuan nag lesson ang tanan. O kay kani siya nga live i-post nako ni siya kay namang ginitugan sa ako mura man daw kuno gihapon kung ako ni siyang ikuan kay namang gyapon daw kuno itig record. Public announcement, guys. Paging their people, breaking news, ban this kind of channel. This one, they made a troll account for me. Can you ban this one or report this? Because many couple of my friends reported on this kind of a channel. Walang ginawa kundi paninira. Ban this one, ban this one. Can you ban this one? That one? This is a troll account of somebody that one of my haters. Right? I think this kind of account they made into other person because the owner of that is hated on me. So they changed into my name. So could you ban this one and report this because many of my couple friends ban and report this into through YT. So we need your present, guys. Ban this one because this is not mine. Some of my haters made of this. Okay, ban this one. Ban this and another one. They had made a two account, guys. Wait. Another one. There is another one. That can you ban that one and report? Yeah. Stay away with this kind, ha? Stay away with